I'm working on the van again. Figured I better do some soundproofing on the van, so I bought some of this peel and stick waterproof aluminum adhesive repair tape. I'm sticking it inside the door. That's what that silver is there. Silver stuff. Putting inside the back doors before I put my panels on. Went ahead and shot some silicone up in the behind the bracings. Kind of give them a little more cushions. I might still stick some of this tape on there. And it's got kind of a, it's pretty sturdy, but I'm not real for sure of that. So I'm going to have two 18-inch speakers and four 15s in the back of this thing. So it's probably going to explode the whole van when that first bass hit. But that's what I'm doing to her now. I built me a nice little console I'm going to put in between the seats. I got to carpet it and everything, but it's going to hold my amplifiers. I'm going to put in some fans here to blow through the box. I'll show you the back of it. I'm going to hold my amplifiers and blow air through constantly. Keep them cool. Probably going to put some cup holders in there and stuff and carpet it. Carpet it up real nice and stick her between the seats. I got to cut the seat belts from the floorboard. Cut them off. See, it's all rusty and poopy-fied. Cut them from there and mount them to the seat brackets. I can put that box in here. I went ahead and changed my driver's seat out. Swapped it with another one. It's kind of dirty, but at least it ain't all holy. So I gotta take the seat belt off the other side of it and put on this side. I got a long way to go on this turd, but it's just a project. I was hoping to get my audio equipment hooked up so I can start painting on her before the winter time comes. And then make some wood railings or something. Probably some lights for the corners. Look for that ugly part. Take that wood back down. That was just holding my carpet till I got it screwed up. Surprised me those screws didn't come out the outside of the van, but I guess they didn't. I didn't see any. Yep, just covering up the ugly. Alright, that's it. See you on the next one.